Okay, so as I had told, I shall discuss the long challenge, the July long challenge. So I had not read the questions. I am reading the questions for the first time. So I shall make, I think, three parts. I shall try to solve at least 7 problems. And this is the first part. So let's quickly try to solve 1 and 2. Chef and strings. Chef has now decided to learn how to play guitar. This Codechef gives a lot of unwanted information. I want to find out what is important. He may have to pluck first string and then sixth. Okay. Switch from this. So what should we tell? We should output total number of strings chef has to skip. Okay, I didn't understand the question. I think I'll read the test case itself. Okay, so for the first test case, answer is 15, and we get it like 1, 6, 6 minus 1, minus 1, 11 minus 6, minus 1, 11 minus 6. So I think it's just input the array first and sum of absolute value of adjacent elements minus 1, maybe something like that. So I'll just see it. I'm just inputting the array elements. I shall keep a sum variable, and I need to find the absolute difference of adjacent elements minus 1, because if I have to go from 1 to 6, I have to skip 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 strings. So 4 is equal to 6 minus 1 minus 1, which is abs of a of I minus a of I plus 1 minus 1. So let's see if this is correct. I don't know, it's unable to run or something. Let's read the second question. Chef is playing a card game. The rule of the game is there are two piles A and B with n cards. Pile A belongs to Chef, B belongs to Morty. Each card has a positive integer. Power of a card is defined as sum of digits on integer on that card. Sum of digits of integer. Okay, so actually before reading that completely, let us see if the first one is correct, because the answer matched with the test case answer. So okay, so first one was very simple. As you can see, I did not even read the question. From the test case only, I solved the problem. I think that's why there are so many submissions also. So, okay, there are two piles of cards A and B. Each pile has n cards. Power of a card is sum of digits on the card. They're playing a game. In each round, both players simultaneously draw one card from top of their piles. Player who draws the card with higher power wins, gets a point. Powers of both the players are equal, they get 1 point. Winner of the game is player who has more points. If both players have equal, then the game is a draw. So I think it's a very brute force only, very straightforward. We need to print 0 if chef wins, 1 Morty, 2 if it's a draw, and n value is also less only. So let's make a function called sum, which will basically help me to find sum of the digits. And this is how you find sum of digits of a number. Just add n mod 10. Keep adding n mod 10 while n does not become 0 and return the sum. So this is how you find sum of digits. I think most of you will know it. So now let us take the input. So there are two piles. Yeah, there are two piles, and we draw a card from top of the pile. So in this loop only I will get the answer. I think I'll keep two variables, count 1 that is for chef and count 2 that is for Morty, and I shall say if sum of a of I greater than sum of b of I, that means chef won the round, so count 1 plus plus, else if sum of a of I less than sum of b of I, count 2 plus plus, that means Morty 1, otherwise both of them get 1 point. So at last, if count 1 is greater than count 2, that means chef 1. If count 1 is equal to count 2, that means it's a draw. Otherwise, Morty 1. So let's see if this is correct. Oh, I should also, oh no, I have to, wait, output two space separated integers. Okay, I need to also tell how many points the winner had. Oh, okay. So if chef won, that means I need to output count 1. If it is a draw, I can output count 1 or count 2. And if Morty 1, I need to output count 2. So yeah. So I think I'll be making 3 parts of the video. I'll make one more part today, and by tomorrow I think we'll complete. So this is also correct. And for this video, I think that's all. I shall make 3 parts of this long challenge, and I shall solve the next 3 problems. Yeah, I think I should solve the next 3 problems in the next part. So watch this video and watch that also, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.